Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Week 38 Market Roundup. A more demand and a crucial week ahead. Video analysis. http ntvforex.com. News ID 4E3D 97/9/21/2029 47:27 AM. Last Sunday in my Week 37 Market Roundup, I discussed the scenarios of a crash, further correction, and bull signs. As expected, S&P 500 had a relieved rally after the exhaustion of the down momentum. Yet it only tested the upper range, the trading range near 3,425, before it lost the up momentum and have another down swing to test the low at 3,300. So far, the trading range between 3,300 and 3,425 is still in play. Based on the character of the rally we had last week on Monday and Tuesday, it suggested a weak bull. On the bullish sign, comparing 17A18 SEPA-S price spread highlighted in orange with 10A11 SEPA-S highlighted in blue, there are more demand come in on 17A September 18 as S&P 500 did not commit below the support level at 3,300, suggested a potential rally ahead. Next week will be crucial as it should reveal more clues if S&P 500 will have further correction ahead to test the next support zone 3125A 3,300. If it fails to commit above 3,425 with the anticipated rally coming week, it will likely to break 3,300 with more weakness ahead upon emergence of increasing supply. So far, Russell 2000 outperforms the rest of the indices. American Samoa shown in the chart below. Take advantage of the small cap stocks for possible long entry if you are trading on the long side. Nasdaq is the worst, followed by S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. It does make sense to have a rotation into the laggard. In this case is Russell 2000 after the impressive run in Nasdaq since March 2020. Check out last week market analysis video series below if you have a tea or would like to reflect on how last week unfold together with your preparation and analysis. Stock watch list. A Malaysia vs industry. BHDA last week vs had a strong rebound followed by a mild reaction with decreasing supply, which is constructive for the uptrend. Trading range between 1.75 and 2.1 is expected. JHM consolidation. BHDA similar to VS. Supply has been decreasing for JHM. It should attempt to test the resistance at 1.77, followed by 1.9. Revenue group. Bearhood A again, supply has been low for revenue. It should attempt to test 1.3 followed by 1.4 for a bullish case. Still within the trading range between 1.2 and 1.4. Comfort gloves. Bearhood A comfort failed to commit above 4. More weakness to be expected ahead. Adventa BHDA similarly, Adventa failed to commit above 2.5. More weakness to be expected ahead. Frontcan Corporation. BHDA it is still within the trading range between 3.25 and 3.8. Supply level is still relatively high. More time is required to absorb the supply. Group Found Pack Group. Bearhood A it is one of the laggards in the technology sector. A weak rally followed by a reaction with slight increasing supply. Demand is of poor quality. The next support level is at 0.9 a 0.95. MIMI Technovation. Bearhood A nice rally followed by a mild reaction last week with decreasing supply. A trading range between 3.7 and 4.4. Stock watch list. A US MSFT Microsoft A support at 198 was tested and rebounded last Friday. 211 is the immediate resistance to overcome. Else, it will have further weakness when the Nasdaq back to its correction mode. FB Facebook A support at 250 was tested. There was increasing of supply in the reaction from last week. A failure to overcome 266 should see further weakness ahead and likely to test 220 at 240. IBB Biotechnology ETF A after tested 125, IBB had a strong rally up. Currently attempt to break above the resistance zone near 136. If it can stay within the zone 133 a 136, it should attempt to test the resistance at 146. SEC Limited A supply level is generally low with the price holding up. Trading range between 130 and 164. A strong stock than the Nasdaq. JD.com A it is still in a correction mode. The support area is at 68A73. Resistance is at 78. Net Cloudflare A38 is the next important resistance to overcome to violate the distribution scenario. A break below 33 would see capitulation. LVGO Livongo Health a low level of supply with a trading range between 111A 150. PTO and Peloton a trading range between 70A 98. More time is required to absorb the supply. Baba Alibaba Group Holdings a hold up above support area at 260A 267. Still in a backup action phase after a sign of strength breakout rally. BTG B2GOLD Corp A BTG rallied up higher. If it can hold above 6.5, it should carry on its momentum to test 7.3. Supply spike on last Friday. Need to watch how it resolves. FSLY Fastly Inc. a trading range between 74A 102 with decreasing supply. Looks promising to at least test the resistance. SQ Square Inc. A is expected. It tested 158 last week before a reaction kicked in. A trading range between 134A 158 stock XA it broke out from the small accumulation range after the supply absorption last week. 29.5 is the immediate support level. Study their charts and you should find them interesting in terms of price structure and volume signature. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.